What's up, everybody? It's your boy Phil. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. We're here, And so a few weeks ago, the announcement came out, that obviously Upper Deck lost the license to Marvel. And so that means they won't be making Marvel cards anymore in 2025. And then also the announcement was made that, this was the end of Marvel Masterpieces. So, and Upper Deck does own the Masterpieces trademark. So that would technically be like the last Marvel Masterpieces set. So what we're going to do today is, this is like a goodbye Masterpieces. You know what I'm saying? We're going to open up a box. Just check it out. Open up a box. Goodbye Masterpieces. And before we do that, we're going to hop straight in. But before we do that, we're also going to talk. We're going to look at this. We're going to look at here. So this is a big old binder. And I know this is hard to see, but like I got two of these. And this is basically, I have so many extra cards though. Like BSGs, canvases, speckles, hollows, bases, golds, variants. But this is like basically my set. So I got two of these bad boys, and my complete set is like this. So if you can see the bottom row of that set, I got the base, the gold sig, and the cover variant, right? And I have that in this binder, two binders. I got it for tier 1 through tier 3. All right. And then we're going to flip. This is the second binder. And then so for my tier 4, I have a complete, can you see that? It's a complete gold sig set for tier 4. All right. And then I got a couple extra tier 4s here. I got a purple Spidey, purple Thor, base Thanos, gold sig Thanos, and a base Wasp. Then after that, we get into my Hulk collection. So basically, you can see here and here, I have some stuff there. And then if you look back here, there's a plate and the green canvas there. So I have tier 1 through tier 3 base gold sig cover variant. I have a complete tier 4 gold sig, couple extra tier 4s of miscellaneous stuff. But for Hulk, I got the base gold sig cover variant, purple, orange, green or emerald, metallurgy. Then we got the signature, the auto, the variant auto. I have a purple error as well. I got 2 out of 50 ambers. I have an out of 15 amber. You can kind of see it right there. I got red canvas, blue canvas, green canvas, plate, base BSG, teal, and red on there. I know it's hard to see with the binder and everything. Extra red canvas. This is like my air purple. And then another extra purple. So the only things I'm actually missing for my Hulk collection in that set is a pink canvas, the green BSG auto with Hulk Iron Man. I am missing, of course, the red spec, 1 of 1, but that's on eBay. That's been pulled. That's on eBay. I think it's like listed for like $15,000 on eBay. And then I know the gold canvas has been pulled and someone has that stashed away. They purchased that. So those two things are kind of off the table. There is a 1 of 1 amber. I don't have that, but like realistically, it would be the pink canvas and the green BSG. And then I would kind of have like everything. I know I don't have the Silver Spectre auto, but I have one of the autos for the variant. So you know, kind of got, and I don't have every plate either, but I got one of the plates, you know, so it's like it's enough, you know. But yeah, so basically that's kind of my, and this set is what got me back into card collecting. I'm gonna put on some gloves to open these up. We don't want to get these pretty boys, you know, fingerprinted up in case we pull something good here. But yeah, these are the cards that kind of brought me back into card collecting. I used to collect when I was a kid, and then growing up, and I'd lost my whole collection of cards and comics and everything. And then, you know, last year I got back into it with these bad boys. And here we are. So, yeah, that was my set of masterpieces, tier 1 through tier 3, tier 4 gold. I've pulled some bangers out of this, but I did sell them. I pulled what? I think I pulled a Spidey plate. I pulled a Spidey Venom green BSG. Some other tier 4s. I pulled an Emerald Spidey. All right. So we got our 12 packs, right? 3 cards in a pack. 3 cards per pack, 12 packs per box. Let's see what we can get. A little goodbye masterpiece rip here. Okay. And we you know, the middle card's the hitter, you know? Ooh, it's been a while since I opened one of these bad boys. Been a while. Let me see if I can. Do I need to turn up the brightness on that camera? Let me look here. Hold on, guys. Sorry about this. Let me. Typical me, you know what I mean? In the middle of recording. And let's see if it's a focus. Where's the good focus? I guess that. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I guess that'll do. I don't know. I do have a light right here, but I don't want to turn it on because it glares off this. But we got Winter Soldier, Mojo on the gold, and then Nova. Oh, it has been a while since I've opened one of these guys. I just heard my son yell for me. So we got what? Dagger on the cover variant, Electro on the gold. Here's our orange. Looks like Luke Cage. It is Luke Cage on the orange. You see, I still knew what it was. I still knew what it was. So it ain't been that long. It ain't been that long. Still remember the old art. So Squirrel Girl, Shatterstar. I used to get a bunch of those in the mail. Little Hulk on the base canvas. Okay. Drax. Little Doc Ock on the AP, PA, whatever. Hope. And these are numbered, by the way. I just assumed that like everybody was familiar, and if you're not, I apologize. But all the cards on these are numbered. There's different tier levels. So this is out of 399, but all of them are numbered. And that's the, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. And then there's tier 4, which are the rarest. So we have a sketch. So that's our cover variant on that one. Drax on the gold sig. Let's look at the artist. What does that say? Metzler. Ooh, what do we got? Little Black Panther on the sketch. Mysterio. Captain Marvel on the gold sig. We got Ant-Man on just a regular hollow foil. Oh. Storm. Namor on the gold. Hope Summers on the hollow. Okay. So I think I know what the other. Uh-oh. So I already showed it was a BSG, the base. So we got Domino on the gold sig. And then our base BSG, or BS, because it's not a G, it's not a Gem. The Black Widow Taskmaster. Jessica Jones. Mysterio. Star-Lord on the gold. Purple Cloak. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change because like it's the exposure. I'm gonna have to change that. But not this video. We're already in the middle. Uh-oh. I was cheated. There is a pink canvas. So we got Omega Red. Gold Sig Electra. There's our pink canvas. Thor on the pink. $21 out of 25. Thor, 21 out of 25. On the pink. I needed the pink Hulk, but we got a pink Thor. On the Canby. We got 2 packs left. And that would be our 2 big hits. Will be the sketch and the pink. And we got our purple and then our other orange. So Gold Sig Bishop. I don't think we're due any more hits. Scarlet Witch base. No more on the variant. I think that's it for our hits. All right, one more PA or whatever, or AP. Kitty Pryde. Gamora on the PA. And Sabretooth on the cover variant. Okay. So, Black Panther sketch by Metzler? That's what I think. And then a Thor pink canvas. 21 out of 25 are the 2 big hits. No other tier 4 stuff. And then we had, of course, a purple and an orange. We had a purple cloak. And then an orange Luke Cage. And that was our Goodbye Masterpieces box. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That Thor was a big hit. That pink canvas is a big hit. I think I actually know someone who would want that, maybe. But I hope you guys enjoyed my collection of masterpieces. I hope you enjoyed that box. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. It lets me know that you guys like what I do, and it makes me want to do it more, you know? But yeah, tell me what you guys think about the masterpieces and it being the last one. I know Upper Deck's going to be getting the, DC license. So, of course, they're going to do some kind of DC masterpieces. You know that's going to happen. But yeah, it's a end of a thing. Let me know what you guys think about that. And again, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is your boy Phil, and I am out. Peace.